Dad, Mr. Beast just gave away $1 million again. How cool is that? Giving away money, breaking records. I can do that. You're cool, Dad, but can you beat Mr. Beast on YouTube? Watch me, Leo. I'll start my own channel, and it will be epic. You should call it You Are Cristiano. I like it. You Are Cristiano. The ultimate Ronaldo channel. Alright, boss, we need to start with a big, bold challenge. Something that'll get millions of views right away. Easy. I'll juggle footballs while running a marathon. That's ambitious. But maybe we should aim for something more.
YouTube Y.
Yeah, like crazy stunts, surprise giveaways, or pranking your fans. I see. But pranks, not really my thing. Don't worry, I'll help you plan everything. We'll start with a challenge that'll get everyone talking. This is harder than I thought. Maybe you should stick to football, Cristiano. No way. If Mr. Beast can do it, so can I. Sure, but do you even know how to edit videos? I've got it covered, I think. Are you sure this is how it's done? Trust me, boss. Just be yourself, and the views will roll in. Hey guys, welcome to You Are Cristiano. Today, I'm going to, do something amazing. Right. I'm going to challenge Mr. Beast. If he can break records, so can I. And what are you giving away today? My jersey? How about we give away a car, Dad? Sure, why not? A car it is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That was something. You were awesome, Dad. Maybe next time you can give away 2 cars. One step at a time, Leo. One step at a time. Mr. Beast has commented on your video. Nice try, CR7. Let's collab soon. Mr. Beast. Maybe this YouTube thing won't be so bad after all. Just don't forget to play football in between your stunts.